Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the neck and thumb positioned. Now form the basic F shape. Place your index as a partial bar across the first fret, leaning it so the tip frets the high E while the flat part handles B. Put your middle on the second fret of G and your ring on the third fret of A. Apply firm, even pressure and strum strings 1-4. This gives a clean, playable F and teaches finger spacing before moving to a full bar. Once the partial shape is solid, convert to a full bar by flattening your index across the entire first fret. Make sure the side bone of the finger contacts the strings for consistent pressure. Move your thumb slightly lower on the neck to create counterpressure. That lever helps press all 6 strings. Arch your other fingers so they clear lower strings and place them on the same frets as before. Practice pressing, releasing, and repressing to build muscle memory and reduce buzzing. Finish by strumming all 6 strings and scanning for dead notes. If some strings buzz or mute, make small adjustments. Roll your index slightly toward the headstock, shift it nearer the fret wire, or raise your thumb to increase opposition. If pain or weakness stops you, use a capo on fret 1 or stick with the partial F while strengthening muscles. One quick troubleshooting tip: if buzzing persists, move the bar fractionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.